Hey guys, myself Rakesh, and in this video we are going to practically see what is Python indentation or what is indentation in Python. Generally, indentation means space. So the space that we provide in the beginning of a code line. Remember the word beginning. At the beginning of a code line, when you are providing a space in Python, is known as indentation. So let's see this practically, and if you do not give a space or if you do not give an indent, what's going to happen, we are going to learn. So the very first thing I will do, I'll type Python on my start search, and here you have the idle application. This is the integrated development learning environment, and this is where we can develop our codes in Python. There are various different applications like PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook. There are many, but let's use the application which is given by Python, right? So let's start. Now once you open idle shell, there are a couple of things you might be interested. One is you have to hit on options and you want to configure idle. Okay, hit on configure idle, and whatever the font size, right, font you need, or what kind of a color that you might look for, right, all this can be selected over here and applied. Very simple. So once everything is done, now let's do one thing. Let us create a new file. In the idle, I'm going to hit on file and hit on new file. Okay, and in the new file which is open, which is untitled, let's give it a name. So I will hit on save as. I have created a very specific folder under documents known as my Python codes, and in this folder I'm going to save. I'll give it a name called Python indentation. Okay, so you may feel like giving an extension .py, but because we are saving it from the Python idle application, you don't have to, because this is going to save as Python files. So I'm going to hit on save. So what would happen? The .py, the Python extension, has already been added. So what we did till now, we have created a Python file. And how did we create? We open idle, hit on file, new file, and we have saved that file. Very simple. So the file is created. Now few things you might need here is hit on options, and you might look for a show line numbers. Okay, you can enable that. Let's get started. So our main intention here is to learn indentation. So I'm using a hash for a comment, and I'm going to say we are going to learn Python indentation. Done. Now in the line 2, let me print. Remember, if you type P capital, again there will be a problem. So do not type P in capital. It is case sensitive. So I'm going to type P in smaller case, print, and here within the parenthesis I'm going to say program started dot. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to create some two variables, and I'm going to provide some value. A is equals to 10, and I'm going to say B is equals to 20. And in the fifth line, I'm going to say if space B greater than A colon. If B is greater than A, then print, and I'm going to say B is greater. So what is happening, you noticed the moment I typed this if, generally for a if you will be using curly braces, isn't it? Most of the program where you will be using a curly braces, but in Python instead of a curly braces they are using a space. Remember, instead of using a curly braces to represent a block of code, in Python we will be using a space. Getting an understanding? So here what happened, the moment you hit on enter, a space has been given before the print, so that represents that it is a block of a code. Clear? Now let's do one thing. Let's save this. Save, you can do Control S, and then you can run module by doing F5. So what happened? Program started, B is greater. Let's see if I'm going to remove the space. I'm going to remove the space, okay, and do a F5. You can directly do a F5. See, let's do a F5, and you will get this prompt to save. Hit on OK. So what happened here? It is throwing an error. expected an indented block after if statement on line number 5. Okay, so here there is a, after this, in line number 5, after this there has to be a space, it is saying. So what we are going to do, we have to give a space. At least a single space has to be given. You can give multiple spaces, doesn't matter, but minimum a single space has to be given. Doesn't matter how you want to give space, how many spaces you want to give, but ensure at least a single space is given. So I have given a single space, Control S, and I can do a F5, and here you see the program has started. Now let's learn one more thing. Let's say I want to type one more thing below this print, and I'm going to say program ended. Let's say I want to type this. So let's do a F5, run it, click on OK. So program started, B is greater, program ended. So here I have given the similar space, single space. Now let's say I want to give a little more space, and let's run it, F5. Okay, what would happen? Unexpected indent. Do you see? So it is telling you, if you are writing a block of a code, whatever space that you have maintained, let's say I have given one space for the first print, in the same block I can't use more than that. I have to go with only one space. So I have to follow the rule. What is the rule? Because I have given one space, I have to go with one space. So Control S, F5. If you run it, now it has run. Let's say I want to give double space. So if you have given double space to the first one, and for the second one I have given only one space, let's do a F5, click on OK. What happened? Again it has thrown an error. Unindented does not match any outer indentation label, so it is not matching. So you have to match the indent. How many spaces you have given for the previous line, you have to maintain that everywhere for that block of a code. So I have done it, Control S, okay, and let's do a F5. Now the program has run. Very good. Let's go back. Let me add one more sentence. Let me use a backspace, and I'm going to say else colon, and here I want to print else A is greater, right? I'll say A is greater. Let's say I want to print another sentence, and here below this again I'll repeat print, and I will say within double quote I will say program ended. Done. So let's do a F5. What would happen? Will it run? Yes. So let's change the value. I want to make A is greater, so I'll give it 100. I will do a F5, hit on OK. So program started, A is greater, program ended. So it is coming. So here if you see, in this block I have given one space, but in this block there is a great space. Let's say, let me increase it. Okay, I have given more spaces in this one. So let's do F5, hit on OK. See, it has run. So whatever the block of code you are using, ensure the space is maintained properly. This is all about indentation. If you do not maintain a space, if you make a single mistake, it's going to give an error. It has to be exactly the same, should match with the previous indent. So you have to maintain it. So thank you guys for watching it. Hopefully it would have given a lot of knowledge about the rules, the indentation rules in Python. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.